If humans could travel faster than the speed of light, would it really be possible to turn back time? Make sure you hear me out, because this video is likely to subvert your perception. Einstein proposed in his theory of relativity that time stagnates when objects move at the speed of light. And then a lot of people speculated, if humans could travel faster than light, does that mean we can go back and easily change history? Before we answer that question, let's talk a little bit about what light is. To put it simply, it is the medium of information transmission, including everything we can see in the world, actually comes into our eyes through light. We see people because they reflect light. We can see stars because they were shining tens or even hundreds of thousands of years ago. It can travel 300,000 kilometers per second, the fastest speed in the known universe. But any object made of matter can only travel infinitely close to the speed of light, but never beyond it. That's because light doesn't have any mass at all. But let's assume for a moment, if at some point in the future, what would happen if humans could travel faster than light? In fact, this is the equivalent of catching up with the Earth long before the light. Even if we can see the past, we can't change anything. Because if you want to stop the speed of light and change history, as the speed slows down, everything in front of you disappears immediately. So everything you see is just a previous image. There's also this famous paradox about time travel, the grandfather paradox. It says that if you could go back in time and kill your grandparents before your father was born, this behavior creates a contradictory situation. Because your existence means that grandfather didn't die because of you, then why did you kill your grandfather? At this point, some people may wonder, is it really impossible to turn back the clock? In fact, even scientists are at a loss to explain whether time can be reversed, and it may take a thorough understanding of the concept of time to truly open the tunnel. Time is a far more complex and difficult thing to understand than space, including time on Earth today. It's all made up by humans. No one knows what the real time is. Some scientists believe that time may not exist at all, but is simply a parameter that humans use to describe how matter moves or events occur, but science never ends. And no one can imagine the extent to which human science and technology will be developed in 10,000 years. Maybe now we don't understand the true meaning of time, but in the distant future, all of these things are possible. In fact, no matter the elderly or the children, they should have had a common dream. That is, to turn back time. We leave a lot of regrets along the way, and we often want to start over with the things that we hold in our hearts. But unfortunately, today's human is still unable to reverse time. Unable to reverse the fact that has happened. Missed is missed. The end is really over. So cherish what's in front of you. Cherish the person who can always accompany by your side. Perhaps, this is the greatest respect for time itself.